Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need to begin with measurement and cleanup. First, open MSI Afterburner and watch GPU temp under a short game run to get a baseline. Note idle and load numbers. Once done, update the GPU driver and set Windows power plan to balanced or high performance so the card isn't throttled unpredictably. Next, physically clean dust from the GPU fans and heatsink. Use compressed air at an angle to restore airflow, because blocked vents are the most common cause of overheating. Now move into targeted adjustments that reduce heat production and improve cooling efficiency. In MSI, Afterburner create a fan curve that increases RPM earlier, so fans reach higher speeds before the card hits 80 degrees. This prevents spikes. Then perform a small undervolt and shave core clock slightly, or reduce the power limit by about 5 to 10%. This lowers temperature while keeping most performance. Also make sure case airflow is optimized. Add one intake finish by validating your changes with a sustained workload. You should run a 30 to 60-minute stress test or a long gaming session while watching temps and clock behavior. Note any thermal throttling or artifacts. If temperatures remain too high, consider reapplying thermal paste or fitting an aftermarket GPU cooler. These address poor contact and evaporated paste. Finally, if fans don't spin or temps stay extreme despite fixes, check BIOS fan curves and voltages. If hardware faults persist, pursue RMA because a defective cooler or sensor could be the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.